In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Substack URL, a crucial step if you're looking to rebrand or simply update your blog link to something fresh and new. Let's dive right into the process, starting at your Substack dashboard. This is your main hub where you have access to all the essential tools you need to manage your publication. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here you'll find an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on this. The settings area is where you manage various aspects of your publication's setup and appearance, so it's a good spot to familiarize yourself with if you haven't already. Next, you'll want to scroll down until you reach what is known as the danger zone. This section earns its name because it includes settings that can significantly change how your Substack operates. Within this area, you'll find the option to change subdomain. Subdomains are important because they form the first part of your URL, identifying your specific site under the Substack domain. So click on Change Subdomain. Now you'll be prompted to enter your new desired subdomain. Make sure you take a moment here to think about what you want your new URL to convey. It could be your brand name, a catchphrase, or anything else that you feel represents you or your content well. Enter your chosen subdomain and click OK. To ensure accuracy, Substack will ask you to enter your new subdomain again to confirm your choice. This double check helps prevent errors that might otherwise lead to your audience facing broken links. Go ahead and enter it one more time and then click OK to finalize the change. It's important to be aware that once you make this change, your old Substack links will no longer work. This means you'll need to update your URL wherever it might appear, such as social media bios, previous newsletter posts, or any promotional material. This is a good opportunity to do a thorough update to maintain accessibility for your audience. Luckily, your current subscribers won't be affected by this change, which means you won't lose any followers due to the URL switch. However, it's courteous to send out a quick newsletter notifying them of the update. Just a brief explanation to keep them in the loop and ensure they're aware of the new way to access your content. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to changing your Substack URL. With these steps, you now have the knowledge to update your online presence and continue sharing your content with a fresh new identity. Thanks for watching and happy writing on Substack.